Assalamualaikum. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to English. Are you ready with the new lesson? All right. I hope you will be ready with a new lesson. Okay? Let's get started. Here is the next slide of our presentation. I hope everybody is ready. All right. Look at the slide. What's the matter? What's the matter? That's the question. Okay, we start from the question. We are learning about illness and disease. Okay, illness and disease. We start from the question, what's the matter? What's the matter? Okay, illness means sickness. Yeah, we are talking about health. We are talking about the situation, the condition of a person. All right, here we go. The next slide. What's the matter, Jane? What's the matter, Jane? I have. I'm sorry, I have a headache. I can't join you now. Oh, I'm not feeling well. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. I have a headache. I have a toothache. Okay, here's the next slide. Let's watch more examples. What's the matter, John? What's the matter, John? Oh, look at the picture. Oh, I have a backache. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, I have a sore throat. I have a sore throat. Look at the form. I have a backache. I have a sore throat. Okay, here we go. Look at the picture. One more picture. What's the matter, Jane? What's the matter, Jane? I have a fever. I feel dizzy. I have a fever. I feel dizzy. Okay, let's turn to this slide. Okay, names of sickness. Headache. I'm sorry, I have headache. Toothache. I have a toothache. Backache. I have a backache. I can't move. Sore throat. I have a sore throat. I think I have flu. Sore eyes. I have sore eyes. I can't open my eyes. Fever. I have fever. I feel dizzy. Here's the next slide. Names of sickness. I have number one. Look at number one. I have headache, backache, toothache, earache, and stomachache. Number two, sore. Sore throat, sore lips, sore eyes, sore tongue, and sore mouth. The next one, number three, I feel. Okay, look at the words. Number four, I have again. Look at the words. Okay, good. Now I'd like you to look at the quiz. Can you practice? Good. Let's practice. I have or I feel. What's the matter? Stomachache, flu, fever, dizzy, painful, headache, sore lips, sore throat, nauseous, backache. Okay, which one is I have and which one is I feel? Can you use them? Good. Now, one small notes, yeah? I make this slide in Flash, okay? So that you keep in mind. I have pain in my back. I have painful in my back. That is incorrect. It's not I have painful. Yeah, painful is adjective. It's painful. I feel painful in my back. My arm is painful. Okay. Now let's practice again. I'm sure you understand some words and you understand how to use the words and sentences about feelings, illness, or disease. Now look at the picture. I have or I feel. Can you make the sentences yourself? Right. I know you can do it. Okay, everybody. I think that's the lesson for today. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand. If you don't really understand well, then you can watch it over and over again. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye, everybody. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again.